Spring is here, summer is around the corner. You want to make money, but you also want to spend some time outside, soak up the sun, be active. So today we're going to look at 3 of the best apps that are going to pay you just to walk outside, preferably. But if you like to walk inside, that's okay too. So let's go and I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, so number 1 is getmiles.com. So you can move. You don't need to just walk. You can travel, do anything you like, whether it's by car, by walk, by bicycle, or just even riding a bus. And you can earn miles for all your daily commute and travel everywhere, anytime. And with those miles, you can redeem cash, gift cards, or do donations. So you have brand you love, obviously Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, Tim Hortons if you're in Canada, Woolworth, Subway, Domino's. So it's a great company. It pays to me. Yeah, it's one of the best. Okay, the number 2 is Sweatcoin. So you go to sweatco.in. I've used that one for a while. It's very famous. It's available in over 70 countries. You need to compete in challenges, and then you can turn the points that you earn, the coins that you earn, into gadgets, digital subscriptions, travel vouchers, and crypto as well. So they're pretty famous. They've been around for a while now. They're available on the Apple Store and Google Play. So it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, it will work. And it's a great app. It's really good because there are a lot of people using it, so the community is very strong. So go ahead, check it out. It's great with this weather outside now. Spring is coming. Spring is here. Summer is coming. There's no excuse not to use that. And the third best app that will pay you to move, in my opinion, is WeWard. So you can go to wewardapp.com. They're available on the App Store and Google Play, of course, endorsed by Venus Williams. So that tells you that it is not a joke, it's a real thing. And again, it's the very same principle as the other apps. You move, so you convert your steps into cash, gifts, and donations. So if you want to cash out your reward, you can do it via PayPal or Venmo. You can redeem the points for gift cards as well. And they have over 100 top brands, so very famous brands. Or you can donate to charities. So that's a great thing to do as well. And you know what? Again, there's no excuse not to move, because now there's a huge incentive with those apps. This app is super famous as well. It's around the world, so you can check them out on their social media as well if you want to see what they're all about. But yeah, just check them out, wewardapp.com. And if you've tried one of these apps, comment below, let me know what you think, or let me know if there's another one that I haven't mentioned and that you think is even better than these 3 apps. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, don't forget to give me some thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so already. I'm a really little channel and I need to grow. So I'm doing this crazy challenge of posting 1 video per day for the next 30 days to see if I can grow this channel. And today is gonna be day 5. So follow me along. I'll post from Monday to Saturday, and I'll try to post on Sunday, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'll see you tomorrow.